Hey, my boy, I always tell you that the combination of food that will give you something in your body is this thing you are seeing.
That's why you want to eat concussion.
You don't understand.
That's why you want to eat concussion.
Hey, the combination of this food you are seeing, this is not a concussion. Remember, in English, it's called a balanced diet. Balanced what? Remember, you say balanced
This
diet.
one is not balanced diet. Eba. And then pawpaw with the corn flour. Ah, God.
It's called balanced diet. You can even as well. When you take pawpaw, you put it
It's
in.
beef and intestine.
You put it in soup. See. Remember, you see.
Hey!
Try it at home. Remember, you don't know what is called balanced diet.
Food should be taken after meal. Not while eating meal. You'll be taking food.
Fruit, so that food will go one side, the meal will go one side.
There is no way. Two of them will go one side.
How do you make a balance? When this one go this side, this one go the other side. Balanced diet is one two something collaborate. a merge. When they merge together, that is called when you call balanced diet. We take pawpaw, cook it. We soak it very well. The way you soak the other food, you see. You understand what I'm
One day
doing?
you take the one that after taking they will carry you to the hospital.
It's a lie. Yeah, you see, you don't even know what she
I did
is.
not dip it in soup, man.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same
When
thing.
you are swallowing and you are eating, it's the same thing.
It's
My
not
boy.
going to something.
You are so long at throat. I thought that I will teach you this and you will learn it. My boy, I'm sure that you don't even know what you're doing. I'm very sure that you don't know when you even take it. There you are understanding it now.
Understanding what? Bad combination.
You see, just take one pawpaw for me. Take it. This is all for Bono. All for Ola. You see, dig it inside. Pawpaw. No, but the taste is so palatable. It's so palatable. It's so balancing in my body. The taste of pawpaw and the soup.
Yeah, that's why it shows that you grew up in Hausa. Hausa land. No doubt again.
I grew up in Kano. From Kano, I migrated to Zamfara. Before I enter Nasarawa. That is how we used to eat it. That is why we are very strong. I think as well, the uncle.
May God deliver you in Jesus' name.
They only deliver me. But even this kind palatable song. We took papa. Good to you.
Ah, what I do,
Try. But this is so sweet.
it can never be sweet.
It's so
Only
sweet.
in
My
your
fans
mouth.
over there. Try it.
Only in your mouth.
Try it. You will like it. Very palatable and so delicious. The limpo